This demo guides you through setting up Edwards Garments as a supplier on Shopify using the Supply Master app. By following these steps, you'll connect to the supplier, configure inventory import settings, and import products into your Shopify store. We begin on the products page of our Shopify store. As you can see, there are no products from Edwards Garments currently on our store. Let us navigate to the Supply Master app and click on Add Supplier. On the Add New Supplier page, let us select Edwards as the new supplier we would like to connect to. On the Settings page, let us give the supplier a name. Next, let us enter our FTP credentials for Edwards Garments. If you do not have these with you, please contact the supplier and obtain them. Click Test Credentials to verify that the FTP username and password are correct and working. Let us move on to the next step. In this step, we will set up the import of inventory from the supplier to our Shopify location. Let us choose to import inventory from the supplier to one of the locations we have set up on Shopify. Once done, click Next. On the Product Settings tab, we can choose to publish products from this supplier to our online store. Once that is done, let's also check the various default data mappings which have been set up for the supplier. All these look good to me, so let's go ahead and save the supplier. Now let's view supplier products and choose the ones we'd like to import into our store. On this page, we can set and modify filters to choose the exact products we want in our Shopify store. Let us change the filters to select only women's shirts. Click Female Shirts to select this category for filtering. Once that is done, let's click on Save Filters to apply the filters to the product list. We can also visually browse the entire catalog and select the products we want to import on the Browse Catalog tab. If you see a product you'd like to import, just click the Import checkbox and save to import filters. Once done, you can navigate over to your Products for Import list and click on Import Products to begin the import. Once done, let's navigate over to Shopify Products to review the items we just imported. As you can see, the products we just set up in the filters have now been imported into our Shopify store. On the Product Details page, we can confirm that the product title, description, images, vendor name, and other attributes have been configured according to our data mappings. All variant fields, including images, colors, sizes, pricing, and inventory levels, have been successfully imported. Let us scroll through the products to review the imported data. All the imported data looks good to me. With the auto-sync feature, all product information will be kept up to date on a daily basis. That brings us to the end of this demo. We have just seen how in just a few minutes we can import thousands of variants from Edwards Garments into our Shopify store using the Supply Master app.